Many people want to eat healthier and get the most nutrients from fruits and vegetables, but traditional juicers often waste a good amount of them. Luckily, cold-pressed juicers extract juice that's smoother, richer in flavor, and packed with all the natural vitamins your body needs. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best cold-pressed juicers available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these juicers, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Elite Gourmet Slow Juicer, a compact yet surprisingly powerful option made for anyone who enjoys fresh juice without the hassle. Its 200-watt motor with high torque and low speed, running between 40 and 60 rotations per minute, squeezes every drop out of your fruits and vegetables without creating excess heat. This gentle process helps preserve natural vitamins, fiber, and enzymes, resulting in a juice that's more nutritious and refreshing. The small design makes it perfect for tight kitchen spaces without losing performance. Its 3-inch feeding chute allows you to insert whole fruits, saving prep time and effort. It also includes an 800-milliliter juice container and a separate pulp collector, keeping your countertop organized and making daily use much more convenient. Thanks to its cold press system, the juice comes out with a richer color and smoother texture, while oxidation is kept to a minimum. The precision auger extracts every last drop, providing excellent yield with less waste. This slow process not only improves the flavor but also helps the juice retain its nutrients for longer. It also features an intelligent reverse function that clears out blockages easily, preventing clogs and extending the motor's lifespan. The natural pulp and juice separation delivers clean, smooth drinks with no foam or chunks, something users truly appreciate for its consistency and quality. The cleanup process is quick and simple, with just 3 detachable parts that are dishwasher safe. It even includes a special cleaning brush to keep the filter spotless. Overall, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a quiet, efficient, and low-maintenance juicer that makes healthy living easier every day. Next up, we have the NeverClog Cold Press Juicer, a smart and powerful choice for anyone who enjoys a fresh glass of juice every morning. Its 150-watt motor with high torque and the NeverClog system ensure continuous performance even when processing tougher fruits and vegetables. This design delivers a steady, smooth flow of juice without overheating or clogging, making it perfect for daily use. One of its best features is the full pulp control, thanks to 2 interchangeable filters that let you choose between a smoother drink or one with more natural texture. This flexibility is great for those who like to customize their juice based on what ingredients they're using. The slow auger movement helps retain nutrients and enzymes, giving you a drink that's not only fresh but also richer in flavor and health benefits. When it comes to ease of use, it includes 2 one-touch programs: Start, Stop, and Reverse. These make operations simple for beginners and experienced users alike. The reverse function is especially useful to clear out minor clogs quickly. Its quiet motor base prevents overheating, keeping your juice cooler and preserving more nutrients. Cleaning is also straightforward, with dishwasher-safe removable parts that save time and effort. The anti-drip lever prevents spills, keeping your counter clean and tidy while you serve your juice. With its compact size, about 12 inches tall and 7 inches wide, and lightweight build of just 8 pounds, it easily fits into small kitchens or cabinets. This makes it an ideal option for anyone seeking a practical, stylish, and efficient juicer that delivers healthy results every time. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the Fretta F3000 juicer, a great option for anyone who wants to make fresh juice easily and efficiently. Its extra-wide 3-inch feeding chute lets you insert whole fruits and vegetables without cutting them into pieces first. This not only saves time but also helps preserve more of the natural nutrients and flavors, giving you juice that tastes fresher and more authentic. With its cold press technology running at 80 rotations per minute, this juicer slowly extracts every drop while keeping waste to a minimum. The gentle squeezing action prevents clogs and reduces foam, producing smooth, clean drinks with a great texture. The slow process also helps retain enzymes and essential vitamins, keeping your juice fresh and nutrient-rich for much longer. The 200-watt direct current motor is both powerful and quiet, operating at around 70 decibels, which means you can make your juice early in the morning without waking anyone up. It also features a Y-shaped feeding chute for added safety, preventing you from accidentally putting your hand or other objects inside while it's running. Another nice feature is its dual feeding channel, allowing you to add multiple ingredients at once to create delicious blends. The food pusher keeps the process steady and continuous, making it easy to use from start to finish. Built from BPA-free Triton materials, this juicer ensures every drink is safe, clean, and healthy for the whole family. It's the perfect choice for anyone who enjoys fresh, natural juices full of flavor and nutrition, combining efficiency, safety, and modern design in one compact appliance. Now let's move on to the Breville cold press juicer, a great choice for anyone who wants to make fresh juice quickly and effortlessly. Its stainless steel extraction system reinforced with titanium, combined with a precision Italian mesh filter, ensures you get the maximum juice and nutrients out of every fruit and vegetable. This technology delivers a drink with a smooth texture and authentic flavor, preserving all the natural goodness of your ingredients. The extra-wide 3-inch feeding chute is one of its most convenient features, allowing you to drop in whole fruits without cutting them first. That means less prep time and a faster, easier morning routine. The dual-speed control also makes it easy to adapt to any ingredient. Use the lower setting for soft fruits or leafy greens, and the higher one for firm produce like carrots or apples. Its 1-quart juice jug includes a built-in foam separator, keeping your drink smooth and clear without bubbles or pulp. The 850-watt motor, which reaches up to 12,000 rotations per minute, delivers fast and efficient extraction, perfect for people who want great results in seconds without losing freshness. Cleaning is just as simple. The rounded parts prevent pulp buildup, making it easy to rinse under the faucet. It also includes a special cleaning brush to keep the filter spotless. The smart design helps keep your space tidy, with cord storage built into the base and a detachable pulp container for quick emptying. This juicer combines power, convenience, and quality, making it an excellent option for anyone who wants healthy, homemade juice with minimal effort and maximum flavor. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the Omega Masticating Juicer, a cold press model made for those who truly appreciate fresh, nutrient-rich juice. Operating at 80 rotations per minute, it prevents heat buildup and oxidation, helping preserve natural enzymes, vitamins, and authentic flavor. The slow juicing process results in healthier drinks with a smoother texture and freshness that lasts longer. This machine goes far beyond a typical juicer thanks to its multifunctional nutrition system. You can use it to make nut butters, grind coffee or spices, chop herbs and garlic, prepare fresh pasta, baby food, or even frozen desserts. Its versatility makes it an ideal companion for anyone who enjoys healthy, homemade creations with ease. The triple-stage masticating technology efficiently extracts every last drop from fruits and vegetables, ensuring maximum nutrient retention. It can even handle tougher ingredients like leafy greens and wheatgrass, producing juice that's rich, smooth, and free from waste. The adjustable end cap offers 3 pressure settings, giving you full control depending on the type of produce you're using, while the automatic pulp ejection system allows for a continuous juicing flow, perfect for preparing multiple servings in one go. Its compact design is about 20% smaller than the previous model, making it great for small kitchens or easy to take on the go. The detachable parts rinse off quickly under running water, and its stainless steel and food-grade materials ensure both durability and hygiene. With its efficiency, quiet performance, and practical design, this juicer stands out as a reliable choice for those who want to enjoy fresh, natural juices full of flavor and nutrition. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect cold press juicer, or if there's another juicer you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.